Do you know how hydraulic oil temperature affects the entire system? Hydraulic oil is like the blood of your hydraulic system. If the temperature gets too high, the oil's viscosity decreases, lubrication weakens, internal leakage increases, and both efficiency and control accuracy drop. High temperature can also damage rubber seals, accelerate oil oxidation, and shorten the pump's service life. On the other hand, if the oil is too cold, it becomes thick and hard to flow. The pump needs more power to start, which increases energy loss and wear on components. That's why most hydraulic systems are designed to keep oil between 30 degrees Celsius and 60 degrees Celsius. This range ensures stable pressure, smooth control, and longer equipment life. Regularly check your system's oil temperature and use coolers or heat exchangers when needed. Keep your system in the safe zone and keep your machines running strong. Follow Blintz Hydraulic for more pro-hydraulic insights.